right. We're playing Lightning. We're here in Boomtown. Playing $1 a spin. We got the free spins. Let's see what we can do with it. Come on. We need wilds. We didn't need those. Bubbles this time. Well, it's a win. Come on, baby. Come on, come on, come on. Come on, wilds, wilds. Oh, yes. Look at my wilds, Regina. That's a pretty wild right there. I like it. When them coins go flying, it's awesome. Woohoo! That is nice. Check that out, would ya? Woo! Yep, $94. Come on, coins, 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 coins. Come on, baby. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on, come on. Wild, wild, wild.
Same thing when it pays well, it pays well.
Yeah, true. And when it don't, it don't. Come on, baby. Come on, come on, come on. Coins, coins. Come on. Come on, baby. Come on, coins, coins, coins. No. Hey, that was all right. That was a good one. That one good spin made for it all. Come on. Come on there. One more back up. That's a win, but only 60 cents. There we go.